Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today I'll be taking you one-on-one on how to register for PDL. PDL is provincial driving license. This is the type of license that you normally use in Kenya when you are training yourself to drive. In short, when you're in a driving school. So the first thing that you do is that you need to come to your browser. Then you access National Transportation Safety Authority (NTSA). Then in NTSA, National Transport Safety Authority, you'll be able to access TIMS. TIMS is a Transportation Integrated Management System. This is a system that you're able to register for your PDL. So we'll come here and we'll find it here. We can see the National Transportation Citizen Self Service Portal. That is where you will find your TIMS account, Transportation Integrated Management System. Here you have different functionalities. You can be able to register your vehicle. You can come for vehicle inspection services. You can come for driving license, online search. Maybe if you want to search which car is registered under what. Then we'll come here to driving license. Then we'll come here to once we come to new driver, we'll come for apply for a PDL. Once we come for applying for a PDL, you'll be able to fill your ID number, your gender, all your data. Ensure that you don't forget to fill the driving school. We can see the driving school that you are using. Also the postal address and every other thing. You also need to come and fill the blood group. Then you can see the status is unpaid. So we'll come here, apply for provincial driving license. I told you a provincial driving license is the driving license that somebody normally use when somebody is training themselves to drive. We'll come here and we'll be able to pay. Once we pay, we say it says payment is non-refundable. Please note that you should not underpay or overpay the indicated amount. So we'll come here and select the payment method that we are using. We'll use M-Pesa. Once we use M-Pesa, we'll come here and it tells me go to my, it gives me the step by step the procedure that I'm supposed to do. I should go to my M-Pesa and I should be able to enter pay bill, then the account number, the amount, and I'll be able to complete. Let me do that. Once I pay and we'll be able to get our provincial driving license for us to go in the driving school and be able to train to drive a car. So I've just paid. I'll say complete. It's saying confirming the payment. Imagine it's very automatic. These days with technology in Kenya, M-Pesa never gets it wrong. So we'll come here and say please wait for the payment results. We can see now the invoice is paid. We can see National Transportation Safety Authority. We can see my name, Edward Karongo, my email address, application for PDL, convenience fee. Now at this moment, I'll be able to have my PDL. I'll be able to print it. Once I'm able to print it, I'll be able to save it in my email address, so that I'll go. We can save view receipt. I'll go in a cyber where I'll be able to print it. So I think my tutorial was successful. If you find this content useful, ensure you subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and leave a thumbs up for YouTube algorithm to appreciate my content. So our tutorial today was applying a PDL, and we have gone all through and it's successful. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. Thank you.